Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Akib and I'm a freelance web developer. So in my previous videos you have seen that we have created 4 to 5 WhatsApp chatbots, right? But in those chatbots AI was responding back to the users. There was no interaction by the owner of the business. So in today's video we are going to learn how to create a chat system like the owner can also respond back to the user chat manually. So I have created a demo already. So let me log in. Like this is just a demo purpose. So I have already created a example. First I will explain the example. After that I will explain how I develop this example. Alright. So as you can see there is no chat right now. So here I have already saved that testing number here. This is the testing number. So now I will chat on this bot. So basically I have created a doctor assistant. So now let's see. So as you can see it responds back to the user. Now we can see this chat as well. Like this is our system where we can see all those chats and we can respond back to the user. Here you can see. Now from here we can communicate with the owner. Right now you see this checkbox is checked. So this is basically I have created an option setting, right? We can disable AI responses and we can respond back to the user manually, right? So let's see how. Let's say now I will check this box. Now the AI respond will not be sent to the user. Now if the user will ask, so let's say the user question and we will get this question straightly here. So here I have used terminology like pusher notifications as well. I will explain you later, okay? Now from here we can chat with the user manually. Like here you will see the user will get this message here. See here like this. Now if we will enable this option, now AI will respond on our behalf. Okay. Okay. So now you will see that AI will respond to the user. Here is the user message. Okay. We are not responding. So AI will do this for us. So as you can see, it respond and here is the message. Now I will explain how I have done this. Okay. First of all, you need to install a pusher. Like we are using a pusher for our notifications. Okay. Now I have created this example in CodeIgniter 4 framework. So that doesn't matter. You can develop in custom PHP as well. Now I will explain you. First I will start from the database. So in database you can see there are 3 tables I have created. First for admin, where the admin can log in into the system and chat with the users. After that there are chats where I'm creating a chats and where I'm saving a thread IDs as well. And in chat table you will see there is a chat thread ID, phone number and chat dated and chat name and chat AI. This is basically a checkbox. This one. Okay. Now after that we have a messages table. In that messages table I'm saving the chat ID, thread ID, content of the message. The message sender is an admin or the user or admin. Okay, like this. Now we will go in our chat. Let's say first we will start from the admin side, like how admin are getting this chats here and the chat detail here. Now let me go in chats. So basically on this page I have created a one function. You will see there one function load chats. This is basically getting chats from the database from the chats table and loading here along with the last message of the chat. Okay, now we can go back on the chat detail page. So here you will see there is a function I have created for a load chat that is loading this chat for a particular chat ID. So here we are passing a chat ID and this is getting the database, getting the messages from the message table against the chat ID and showing in this div. Okay, this is very simple. Now here sending, let me show you sending. Okay, send button. Here I need to explain something to you. Basically how the admin sending message to the user. So we can go back in our controller. Okay, so here you can see we are getting the chat ID and messages from the post method. Then here we are creating a data for saving in our database. So this is we are saving chat ID, chat thread ID. Okay, basically first we are getting a chat data from the chat table before saving message to the message table. Then from that chat object we are getting chat ID and other messages here. Then we are saving into our database. After that we are sending message to the WhatsApp using the Facebook Graph API. Okay, here I am passing some testing my token, and at the end you will see I am integrating pusher. Like whenever I send a message, I am passing this data to pusher for a real-time communication. Like where I'm passing chat ID is admin, either the sender was an admin or a user. And chat name, message, dated. Okay, and you will see bottom here. Okay, let me check. Okay, here you see it trigger the even now on the front side how I am managing pusher. You will see like here. You see here. This is the my details for a pusher. Here I'm getting those details. After that I'm checking if is admin is equal to 1, it's mean the admin has sent the message. Then we are showing like this on the right side. If the user is if the sender is a normal user, we are showing the message like this. You will see here. Okay, so that's it for on admin side. Now let's go back on the user side, how we are managing the users. So whenever user send the message, we have triggered a callback URL in our developer Facebook account. If you don't know how to set up, you can watch my previous videos so you will understand much better, and I will mention the link in the description as well. Okay, so whenever user send a message to the WhatsApp, we are getting that message here in this object, this. Okay, in this object we are getting that message. After that I have created two assistant, like assistant, one assistant. Let me show you that assistant instructions. So here I need to go, I need to log in. Okay, Okay, so here you see this is my bot, and these are the instruction I passed to the system. Let me open in Notepad so you will see. So these are the instruction I passed. This is basically a doctor assistant instruction. I will add these instructions a link in the comment description as well. Okay. So now what will happen is, so whenever the message came here, first of all, we are extracting the user's data from that message, like the user number, username, or user text message. Okay. After that, we are loading a chat model. Then we are getting a chat against the phone number in the message. Okay. After that, we are checking if a chat is available. Then we are getting a thread ID and other stuff. If chat is not available, then we are creating a thread in our OpenAI. You see here the data content. So in creating a thread, we are just passing our API key, and it returning us a thread ID. Okay. After that, I am saving this data to the chats table, and we are getting a thread ID and last ID. Last ID basically the chat ID. You will see here. Now we are saving that message to our database. You see chat ID this, thread ID, but here you see message is admin. I have set to 2. 2 it means this is a normal user, not a admin. After that, we are doing the same work for a pusher. See here, and we are passing it to pusher. And if now here another thing is AI response. You see, remember in the database of the chats, we have one column for checking if the AI is enabled or not. Here, chat AI. If chat AI is equal to 1, it means it has to respond automatic using the chat GPT assistant API. So this is we are doing here. If the chat response is not enabled, then what we are doing nothing. Okay, so I hope you like this work. If you have any question, any query, you can contact me, so I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you.